Today we'll talk about the term investigation as defined under section 2L of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. As per that definition, an investigation is conducted by a police officer or any person other than magistrate. It means investigation is the sole prerogative of the police officer and magistrate has no power to conduct it. Only in exceptional circumstances a person other than police officer can conduct it, provided he is specifically authorized by the magistrate to conduct it. Now, secondly, from the definition, we found the purpose of investigation, that is to collection of evidences. Now, this is further elaborated by the Supreme Court in the case of H.N. Rishenbhat versus State of Delhi 1954 Supreme Court, in which the court says that the investigation stage starts with the filing of FIR and ends with the submission of police report to the magistrate. Now, between these two stages, there comes a number of steps which are involved, which amounts to investigation. Such steps are arrest of the accused, collection of evidences, which includes the document as well as relevant things by search and seizure. Third, it includes the examination of the witnesses and recording of their statements. Fourthly, it includes the medical examination of the accused as well as of the victim if necessary. All these steps forms the stage of investigation. Now the investigation ends with the submission of police report to the magistrate. Now a question arises whether a police officer can conduct investigation after the filing of police report. The answer is yes, as section 193 subsection 9 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita allows police officer to conduct further investigation even after the submission of police report. But subsection 9 does not tell us up to what stage this further investigation can be conducted. The Supreme Court answers this in the case of Hirabai Vinubhai Malviya versus State of Gujarat 2019 Supreme Court, in which the court says that a police officer can conduct further investigation up to the stage of framing of charges, because at the time of framing of charges the court considers the investigation report or the police report to find out what offences are committed by the accused and who all are involved in the commission. Now, after the framing of charges, there is no purpose of conducting investigation as charges are already framed. So, further investigation is allowed, but up to the stage of framing of charges. I hope this video helps, and if there is any doubt, please comment.